Pick a skin tone in software, and you get two bad options. About 5 preset shades, like an emoji, or all 16 million colors a screen can show, with no help choosing. One person built a free tool for this. It turns that whole range of human skin into 3 simple sliders, plus one dial for how much variety you want. It runs in a browser. Those 3 sliders turned out to mean something clear: deep to fair, flush to ochre, a golden tan, cool to warm, and the builder never chose those meanings. The builder sorted hundreds of colors by hand into a person could be this or not. Every screen color is 3 numbers: how much red, green, and blue. Plot the yes colors and they make a lopsided banana-shaped cloud, sitting crooked. Then a standard piece of math called principal component analysis rotated that cloud flat until its own natural directions lined up with the sliders. The rotation found the directions the colors vary along. Those directions became the sliders. For the last step, the builder wrapped the flattened cloud in a ball. The ball's size becomes one variety dial. Turn it down, and every direction shrinks together, evenly, never lopping off one end. Turn it up, and the tones become cartoonish, even fantasy. Turn that dial to 0, and you land at the exact center, one neutral tone. If that center ever leaned one way, the space would be skewed, so the center checks the space. So the choice that was 5 shades or 16 million colors is now 3 sliders and 1 dial, sorted by hand, rotated by math, open for anyone to build on.